My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Volkswagen Polo. This vehicle has done just over 23,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have voice control as a feature. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, we can get quick access to Apple and Android CarPlay, radio, media, phone connection, and voice control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.